What I found here at CatholicTech is not only a great education, but also my vocation and a wonderful community that supports it. I remember leading up to my decision to come here, it was very much so a process of discernment, and I truly felt the call of the Holy Spirit to come here, and that was very much so affirmed when I came to campus, both for an open house visit and then when I came in August of 2024 with the rest of the inaugural class of CatholicTech, and the community that we've built here, even within the first couple days. Not only have I found friends that I hope will last a lifetime between the other students and as well as the faculty and staff, I've also found my future spouse here, and so I know my vocation in that sense, and I also know my vocation now as the mission of CatholicTech to show the love of God through the creation, through His creation, and through the means of science. I'm hoping to go into the healthcare field after this, and I'm really looking forward to be able to bring the mission of CatholicTech and show the love of God and the beauty of His creation through that field, and bring my experiences, whether it's the community life here and being able to go to weekly adoration and bringing that love and joy into my field, as well as bringing the cultural aspects that I love about Italy, the calmness and the stillness that surrounds us here, and just the beauty of the culture. I'm really looking forward to bringing that both into my personal life in the future when I leave CatholicTech someday, but also into my profession and really bringing the mission of CatholicTech forward beyond here.
Hey everyone, my name is Maher from the Philippines, and I'm super excited to be joining the Catholic Institute of Technology as an incoming freshman this fall. When I first discovered CatholicTech, I was honestly amazed to find a place where both cutting-edge research and a great value for faith go hand in hand. It just felt like the perfect fit for me as a Catholic student who has a passion for research and science, particularly electrochemistry, robotics, and physics. I love diving into how things work on a fundamental level, whether it's energy transfer in chemical systems, building intelligent machines that can interact with the world, or pondering the way our universe works. And what I really appreciate about CatholicTech is that it combines intensive scientific study under well-achieved academics and a truly Catholic campus life. I also feel incredibly fortunate and of course excited to be studying in Rome. Rome is not only a haven of cultural richness and intellectual tradition, but also a historic center for scientific thought and discovery, particularly on the fields of engineering and physics. And of course, it stands at the heart of the Catholic Church, which will be a great experience for my growth in faith. I'm so grateful to be part of this mission of CatholicTech to discover the creation of God. And I can't wait to meet my fellow students, grow in the community, and dive both into my faith and my studies. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.